Welcome to our journey into the world of manufacturing. Today, we're uncovering the fascinating process of how money is made in a factory. It all starts with raw materials. Factories receive these essential components, whether it's metal, plastic, or textiles, which serve as the building blocks for products. These materials are carefully inspected and sorted. Quality control is paramount to ensure that only the best materials make it to the production line. Next, we move to the production line. Here, skilled workers operate machines that transform raw materials into finished products. Through a series of steps from cutting and molding to assembling and packaging, the factory efficiently produces goods that are ready for sale. But the process doesn't end there. Quality control teams play a critical role in ensuring every product meets industry standards. Products undergo rigorous testing to guarantee they're safe and effective, adding value to what's produced. Once the products are ready, it's time to market them. The marketing team crafts compelling campaigns to attract customers. Effective marketing strategies drive sales, turning products into profits. After sales, the factory ensures that products reach customers through a well-organized distribution network. From warehousing to logistics, every step is designed to deliver products efficiently. Finally, the money made from sales is reinvested into the factory. This includes upgrading equipment, improving working conditions, and expanding production capacity. Investing in the factory not only boosts productivity, but also enhances employee skills and satisfaction. And there you have it. The journey from raw materials to finished products illustrates how money is made in a factory. By maintaining quality, efficiency, and innovation, factories continue to thrive in today's economy. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of manufacturing.